Today, I'm going to guide you through selling your Solana and withdrawing the money from Uphold. I know some of these tech things can be a little bit tricky, so I'll take it slow and I'll make sure that everything's super clear. We're going to look at two ways to withdraw. First, to your bank account, and second, to an external crypto wallet. Start by logging in to your Uphold account. You'll see your main portfolio page. Find the Anything to Anything panel on the right, and this is going to be your go-to place for managing your money. In the Select Source section, there's a drop-down menu. Click it and choose Solana. If you can't find it right away, don't worry about it. Just click Show More to find it. Next, click the Select a Source drop-down and choose your bank account. If it's your first time doing this, you might need to add your bank details. You can add your bank account by clicking the plus icon and just follow the prompts. It's very straightforward. Now decide how much Solana you want to sell. You can type in an amount, or you can use the handy percentage options to pick part of your crypto stash. Below, you'll see how much this is in regular money like dollars or euros. Take a look at the withdrawal preview to see everything, like the exchange rate and any fees that might apply. Feel free to add a note for your records, then hit confirm. These notes can be especially useful whenever you have to do your taxes at the end of the year. Your money will then start its journey to your bank account. Now, I'll show you how to send off your crypto to an external crypto wallet. Just go back to that Anything to Anything panel. Just like you would when transferring to a bank account, find Solana on the Select Source list. In the Select Destination section, select Crypto Networks or type the crypto into the search bar and navigate to the Crypto Networks section. This means you're sending it to another crypto place, not a bank. Choose the network you're using for the wallet. In this example, I'm sending Solana to my Ledger Nano X. There's a link in my description to the exact cold storage wallet if you're interested. This part is important for making sure your crypto ends up in the right place. Then, once again, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer over or use the percentages and then hit Preview Withdrawal. Then, you'll need to type in the address of the wallet you're sending to. Double check this address. A small mistake could send your crypto to the wrong place. Something useful to know is that if you're sending to another exchange, a destination tag is required. If you're sending to a cold storage wallet like I'm showing you today, you won't need a destination tag. You can find your wallet address on your Ledger Live app. There should be an easy copy button for you. This copy button will likely be available across all exchanges and all cold storage wallets. It's just for this example, I'm showing you the Ledger Live one. And then you can paste the address into the box. After you've entered the address, check the network fee and then confirm your withdrawal. And there you have it. Whether you're moving your Solana to your bank account or to another wallet, these steps should help you do it smoothly. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. And if you found it useful, please hit like on this video and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.